On the stage, respectable, honorable lady from Saudi management and our Saudi branch since we start Saudi. She is the manager there. Miss Mia, please come on the stage. Please welcome on the stage Miss Mia. Give it a big hand for Miss Mia.
Good evening, firstly. Happy Chinese New Year. Thank you to the leader for giving the opportunity and trust. Thank you to colleagues for their support and assistance. Let me express my thoughts here. Over the past year, we have collectively faced many colleagues and changes, with everyone diligently contributing their efforts towards the company's development. I'm deeply honored to be a part of this team and stand side by side with all of you bring together. In the past year, we have achieved some important results, completed some challenging tasks. The achievements of these achievements, without the hard work and teamwork to every colleagues,